Let us do Anjaneyasana, the low lunge. Come to table pose. From table, move into downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. From Adho Mukha, Ashwa Sanchalanasana, right leg between the palm. Relax the left knee and ankle. Inhale, raise both your hands up and arch back. Breathing normal. Push your waist down as much as possible. Hold for as long as it is comfortable and relax. Come back to Ashwa Sanchalan, Adho Mukha Svanasana, and repeat on the other side. Very good. Relax. Ashwa Sanchalan, Adho Mukha. Drop your knees down and rest in Sisu Asana.